Good morning everyone and welcome back to beautiful sunny Portugal. EasyDrive has just sent me a couple of flight batteries, smaller batteries that you're supposed to be able to take in the plane on your travels. Individually, those batteries are less powerful, but you can combine them together to give you a nice boost of energy and get up on foil. Let's see how they go and how long they run. Now that we know how those batteries connect together, let's see how they ride. So first of all, I gotta say I was quite impressed by the runtime. All in all, I probably had like a good 15 to 20 minutes on that setup, which is, only about maybe a quarter less than a normal battery. So I'm pretty happy with that. Also, well, I caught my best wave ever during that time, so no complaints there. Definitely good to have some batteries in your travel bag if you need them when the conditions really aligned and the waves are perfect, that's for sure. Nonetheless, always check with your airplane company before you buy a plane ticket that they do accept to carry batteries. Some companies just don't. Enjoy every condition you can find on the water and see you next time.